Okay, for 27, they want us to draw the shape and draw lines of symmetry. So I'm going to take a shortcut. I'm just going to zoom in. Okay, that's as much as it's going to let me zoom. Now let's remember what an axis of what a line of symmetry is. So if I have a line of symmetry, right, like that, let's say that's a line of symmetry, and there's a point over here on the line of symmetry, that means equidistant on the other side, there's going to be a point. That's what a line of symmetry means. It means, so if I have a, if this is my line of symmetry and I have a curve here like this, then that means that equidistant away, I would have the curve over there, right? So I could try to put a line of symmetry like down here, right? But that doesn't work because, this point over here, there's not one equidistant over here, right? This point over here, there's not one equidistant over here, right? So clearly that's not my line of symmetry, right? So the only place I can get a line of symmetry is horizontal, right? Right through the center here. Because now this point, there's a point over here equidistant, right? This point, there's a point over here equidistant, right? This point, there's an equidistant point over here, right? So the axis of symmetry is, or the line of symmetry is a line horizontal, right? Horizontal through the middle,